Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is the 588, probably the last video on it. I've got the motor mounted for now. Just used a small epoxy block, or a small compressed styrofoam block and a drop of epoxy on top of the E unit, just to keep the motor centered until I actually bend a front mounting bar to make use of this existing hole. But I wanted to show you the problem I was having with the headlight. Now, as you see, there is no room in there for a headlight. If you put a headlight on it, you can't put the motor in the case or in the shell. So I was at a thrift store and I found these 12-volt wheat bulbs. And these little tiny bulbs, 12 volts. They make no heat at all and they are extremely bright. And in the case of this one, I've just got it basically wired to the existing light socket, and it's just touching the back of that lens on the top of, or in the front of the engine. So anyway, it worked. It makes quite a good headlight, and it'll never get hot enough to melt the plastic. And it doesn't get hot at all, in fact. Anyway, I'm just going to put this on the rail and run it. Now, at 50% power, look at this thing. That's 50% power. This thing is flying, pulling that consist. So, really difficult to explain. There's a lot of power in that little engine to be able to do this. And this thing will just literally fly at 50% pulling that load. But you can see the headlight works quite well. So all in all, this turned out to be a really interesting project. I mean, this little engine is just, it's Mighty Mouse. I mean, there's no doubt about that. I'm sure I could accelerate it right off the track, even pulling this consist. Now, the thing was scooting at 50% power. So anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video on this thing. The 588 with the 400 motor, and for now it's working. We'll just put it through its paces and make sure that nothing develops, but it looks to me like this would work just absolutely perfectly. It makes quite a nice little compact engine that'll pull almost anything. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.